fine text of top about picture day at school. This text is told from the point of view.
Don't do that continuously. This text is told from the point of view. Let's see.
This text is told from the point of view.
Okay, let's see. I don't know how to pronounce this one.
Pronouncenames.com. Elijah.
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 Okay, Elijah.
You hit me.
Okay.
Elijah, a student. Picture day was finally here.
Whoa, the past tense of well.
I wore my favorite sweater to school. I made sure my hair was combed.
Okay. Combed just right.
I did been practicing by my smile when the camera was pointed my way, and everything would be perfect. I waited, hoping I would take the best picture ever. This text is from the handout about picture day. No, on picture day, have your child wear clothes that are similarly simple.
Good. For instance, same as for example.
For instance, avoid
logos. Okay, logos. You see that every company has a logo. Yes, you see this like Shell, IBM. So you don't wear the clothes with logo on it. Okay, what's that?
Steer.
Okay.
To
control
the children.
Direction.
To control the direction and which something moves.
Okay.
He steered his car carefully into the parking space.
Steer. Logo.
Okay, logo. Okay, spell.
Logo.
Okay. Identify symbol. Identifying
symbol.
Okay. Like this one. It's identify the Shell, the oil company. You see, Burger King, KFC, right? And Coca-Cola. That's a logo. So when you see it, it's it's for that company. Okay, logo.
Logo.
logo,
Logo.
logo,
Yeah.
ex-
Symbol.
symbol, symbol,
Trademark.
trademark, trademark, symbol,
Okay.
mark,
For instance, avoid
logo, logos, and fancy patterns after all you your child should be the star, not the ch-
clothing.
clothing.
Your child should be the star, not the clothing. Okay. Beyond.
Beyond
Yeah. Beyond that. Besides that.
beyond what that, sit back and relax. We will make sure your child sit up side
Straight.
straight and gives a great smile.
Okay.
How is the others hand out others point of view different from each?
Elijah.
Elijah,
Okay. Elijah. Okay. Elijah's. Okay.
the hand out others makes pictures they seemed fun. The hand out other gives adventure
Advice.
advice.
Okay. Advice. You give advice to someone. Okay. Advice. Okay. You see, give the advice. What you should do. You see at this moment. What's that?
Logo,
Logo.
logo,
Logo.
logo,
Logo.
logo,
Okay.
symbol,
Okay.
Advice.
advice,
Advice.
advice,
Advice.
advice,
Okay.
and
Opinion.
or suggestion about what someone should do.
Okay.
My advice is to sell your old car and get a new one.
Okay.
Advice.
Advice to
Advice.
advice.
Okay.
ADVICE, advice.
Oh, what's going on? Yeah, what's that?
Suggestion.
Okay, suggestion. Okay. The handout other gives.
Advice for picture day. The hand out others. Other explain explosions. Experience.
The handout other explains.
Explains what picture day is.
Okay, which one? Okay, good.
This one.
Yeah,
Summit.
yeah. Okay.
When the five texts are both about finding one's way in the woods. This text is from the point of view of
Lena. I don't know how to pronounce it.
pronouncenames.com.
Lena,
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 Lena.
Okay, Lena. Okay. This text is from the point of view of Lena. Okay.
When I hike in the woods, I like to leave the
beaten
beaten path. I pay close attention to my
surroundings.
surroundings.
The things around me, okay, surrounding the environment.
Surroundings and keep track of landmarks like large rocks. My sense of direction is strong, and it's even never
Failed.
found me. Somehow I always found my way to have a wonderful experience. This text is from the book about hiking. When you are hiking in the woods, stay on the trail. It's foolish
Good.
to wander off and really rely on your eyes and others'
senses
to guide your back. Also, always carry a map and compass with you. If you find yourself turn around, then
they
can help you find your way.
turn around means you go back to the old way. Okay.
How is the book others' point of view different from
Lena's.
The book other creatures creates a feeling of peacefulness.
Good.
Peacefulness about hiking in the woods. The book other describes the scary feeling of getting lost in the woods. The book others suggests that trusting one's senses in the words is unwise.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay, unwise means foolish. Okay. Okay, let's read some. Okay, we may not finish.
The following text both describe
materials
for building.
Okay, maybe what's this? What's this? Do you know? What's this? What's that? We have one in the backyard. What's that?
Advice.
Advice.
That's a deck.